How to delete a Telegram account from another phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete a Telegram account from another phone. Start by opening the Telegram app on your mobile device. Then tap on the three lines in the top left corner and go to Settings. Next, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Now tap on Devices, where you will see a list of all logged-in devices. Locate the device you want to remove and tap on it. Then tap on Terminate Session and confirm by selecting Terminate again. This will log you out from the other phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.